The explosion was heard throughout Mexico City. The incident occurred while the majority of Pemex employees were leaving work. It seems a pocket of gas had accumulated in the lower floors of the building.
I was working. As I served customers, I heard the sound of a fire, a huge fire. It was not normal.
The Mexican oil giant is located in a 54-floor skyscraper, 214 meters tall. The Mexican company said the disaster killed 37 and injured more than 100. Searchers worked throughout the night looking for possible survivors.
My customers started yelling nervously and rushed out, leaving the restaurant empty. There were around 20 helicopters flying around the building.
It's not the first disaster for the Mexican company. An accidental explosion in 2012 at a gas site killed 30 people.